5 marks IGCSE question. This is where students lose marks. So let's do it. The question asks to find the angle OBD. First, before we start, let's read this. Give a reason for each stage of your working. Here, you need to show them the circle theorems you used to solve this. If you don't, you are not getting the full mark, and that's when students lose marks. So we'll do that. I'm not writing it, I'm just saying it, okay? So let's do it. So OBD is this nice angle here. Let's call it X in red, this angle. Now to find that, I'll first look at this cyclic quadrilateral in green. Each two opposite sides in the cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So we can do this. 128 plus this makes 180. So we can just do 180 minus 128. That gives you 52. So this is 52. And you need to say, because it's a cyclic quadrilateral, each two opposite sides are equal, add up to 180. Now, the central angle is double of the angle in the circumference. So if this is 52, this is 104. You will also mention the central angle theorem. Now let's draw triangle OBD. I'll just draw it here. So this is OBD. Did you notice this is a isosceles triangle? Because this side is a radius and this side is a radius, so they are equal. This is not nice drawing, but anyway it works. So these are equal. That means these angles are equal. Now this is 104, so we'll do 180 minus 104. That gives you 76. And because it's isosceles triangle, then we will do 76 divided by 2. That gives you 38. That means angle X equals 38. And that's how you got your full 5 marks. That's it.